What is the with function?
With lets you create a temporary variable inside a single formula, helping reduce repeated calculations. It improves performance by storing a value once and reusing it multiple times inside the block. With also makes long formulas cleaner and easier to maintain by isolating logic. Example: with total price QTY, total plus 10, calculates and then adds 10 to the computed value.
What is the concurrent function?
Concurrent runs multiple formulas at the same time, instead of waiting for one to finish before starting another. It improves app loading time, especially when you need to fetch data from several sources. Useful for on-start actions like loading multiple collections simultaneously. Example: concurrent, clear collect, column A, list A, clear collect, column B, list B, loads two lists together.
What are screens in a Canvas app?
Screens act as pages in an app, such as Home, Details, Settings, or Dashboard. Each screen can contain its own controls, variables, layout, and logic. Users navigate between screens using Navigate, supporting transitions like fade or cover. Example: a help screen showing FAQs created as a separate screen connected via a button.
What is the select function?
Select triggers the on-select action of another control programmatically. It helps when you want multiple controls, icons, labels, to behave like a button. Reduces duplicate formulas because you centralize logic in a single button and trigger it using select. Example: select btn submit makes an icon trigger the same submit action as a button.
What is a data card?
A data card represents a single field inside a form control, such as name, email, or status. You can unlock a data card to customize its design or validation logic beyond default behavior. Data cards contain child controls like text inputs, drop-downs, or labels tied to the form's data source. Example: unlocking the phone number data card to add regex validation.
What is app on start?
App on start runs automatically when the app launches, initializing variables and data sources. Common tasks include loading user details, caching data into collections, and setting configuration values. Proper use of on-start improves app performance by reducing data calls during screen navigation. Example: set var user runs on startup to store the logged-in user's name.
What is a component library?
A component library stores reusable components like headers, footers, menus, or custom controls. It helps maintain consistent UI and behavior across multiple apps in an organization. When a component is updated in the library, all apps using it can update automatically. Example: a header component that displays app title and user info used across 10+ apps.
What is the disabled property?
Disabled property prevents users from interacting with a control, like a button, until certain conditions are met. Helps enforce validation rules by ensuring incomplete forms cannot be submitted. Can be combined with visual cues like color changes to guide user behavior. Example: a submit button disabled until all required fields are filled.
Well, I'm happy to say you were selected. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to Zoom in Data for their real-time projects, mentorship, and constant support. I don't just have a certificate. I have skills. I have a job. I have a future.